G'day guys, Greg here. Now today I'm back at KFC. They got a brand new burger out, the Fiery Double. Well, it's not exactly a burger, it's two zinger fillets with some stuff in the middle, and it's on the secret menu. So, let me show you how to order it. Well, first of all, you need to go to the KFC app and click menu, and then you drag it down, and then let it go, and now you wait. And wait. And wait. Well, the thing is, the thing is, eventually, finally, he comes up with a shh. Then you gotta wait again. Oh god. Then you click unlock. And then you wait again. Bucket of chicken. And here it is, the Fiery Double. $10.95. Crikey! Anyway, let's order one and go get it. Alright, here we go. The Fiery Double, new secret menu item, $10.95. Yeah, it's sort of got some weight about it. Got the scales. Let's see how much it does weigh. 259 odd grams. Well, that's the size between small and average sized burger. Right, well, let's suss it out.
Oh, yes! Ooh, KFC twice in 1 week. Woo, woo. I am lucky. I hope.
I actually had to tell the people that worked in KFC how to make this burger. And they'd never even heard of it. All right. Da 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 da. Ba. Yeah, well, okay, well, there it is. It is, well, it's the size of a zinger fillet, isn't it? So, we got a zinger fillet there, with some of the fiery sauce, a piece of bacon. Well, at least it's cooked. Hungry Jacks, take note. Some cheese, and it could be a bit more sauce than the other zinger fillet. Yeah. I had to actually tell them how to make that. They had no idea. I should have told them it had 6 zinger fillets, 15 bits of cheese, and 87 bits of bacon. Oh, and look what they gave me to eat this with. A spoon! Yes! I think maybe some chopsticks would have been better than a spoon. But maybe the spoon is for this fiery sauce that's made with 11 chilies. Yep, just as fiery as the last one I had too. That fiery sauce is like a really thick sriracha sauce. And it is pretty tasty. And I think when I did have the other burger, I was saying, oh, it would have been better if it had some more chicken to dilute that sriracha sauce in. So, my wish came true. I got double the amount of chicken. All right. Now, this is, well, I touched it before, it's very greasy. So you might not want to use your hands when you're eating this. Luckily, it comes in a double wrapped piece of like grease paper here, so this will make it really convenient to eat. So let's go. Oh, mate. Lucky's got that cheese on there to tone that fiery sauce down. And the bacon, of course. It does bring up a little bit of coughing when you are eating it. It is quite fiery, but those two bits of oily chicken coming together really just, it absorbs, dilutes, I should say, some of the fiery sauce there. As well as that cheese, you don't really notice the cheese on there. If I did, I'm sure it would be diluting some of that fiery sauce as well. It's sort of noticeable, but not overly. And a little bit of bacon on there, well, yeah, you sort of notice that there, little bits. But I need more, mates. I need more. Oh yeah, that's good. I'm actually really liking that double fillet zinger there, boy. Are they juicy? And when I say juicy, I mean oily. Although they are quite nice and thick and juicy, so I'll leave it at juicy. This is actually tasting really nice. I'm really enjoying it. It's flavoursome, it's fiery, it's bacony and cheesy, and well, altogether I think it's very nice. But I want to score, I'd give it out of 10. Well, value-wise, $10.95. Come off it, mate. Although, if you buy one zinger fillet on its own, it's $4.95 each. Times that by 2, that's $9.90. And there is bacon and cheese on there. So, yeah, rightio. Flavour-wise, well, I'm really enjoying these flavours. It is nice and fiery. It's got the zinger there. It's got the fiery sauce. It's got the bacon and cheese. And all together, it all blends in nicely. And it does leave a nice fiery flavour in your mouth, which is what you got to expect, and is what you do expect. And if it wasn't fiery, then it wouldn't be called a fiery burger or fiery double. But mate, it's pretty nice actually. I'm really enjoying it. So for my all over value, all over flavour, all over taste, all over everything score for the fiery double, I think this deserves up. 9 out of 10. Hey, this thing is really tasty. I'm really enjoying it. It's nice and fiery. It's warming. It just makes you feel alive. It gets your taste buds dancing across the inside of your mouth, and altogether, it just tastes good. And it's definitely something I'll be getting again. Well, there you go, the fiery double on the secret menu. If you are into hot, spicy food, mate, I reckon if you got one of these, you're gonna love it. And well, that's what my recommendation would be. If you like fiery foods, go and grab one, because you're gonna like it. Anyway, I'm gonna see you finish the rest of this off. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time I eat at KFC. See you then.
Oh yeah, this is Greg's Kitchen, where the review